It's day 101 to 107 of My Path to Riches. Hello, my name is Lori. I'm your positivity princess. I have a YouTube channel called The Lori Show. Welcome. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back, and I hope you enjoy. I'm here spreading positivity and helping others to live their best lives in any way I can. Join me on my path to riches. I'll be using so many tips and tricks that I have collected on my way to preparing for my journey. If you're intrigued by anything that you've heard or seen, it's a better wink than last time, please hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. You don't want to miss it when I have my huge, colossal, magnificent, fantastic, gymongous breakthrough. Okay, I'm trying to use all different kinds of words. So like I said, this video will represent day 101 to 107 of my path to riches. Today, for the video, I want to talk about something special. I want to talk about ways that you can find and experience more magic in your life. So with this information, next week, I will be doing a mini series called Your Magical Life. It will be a 5-part series, and each episode will discuss one way to bring more magic into your life. Here are the 5. The first way to bring more magic into your life is to use a book by Rhonda Byrns. It is called The Magic. So this is a great place to start. This book is a plan to follow for 28 days. It is meant to be a way for beginners to start practicing using the law of attraction in their daily lives. It's a great little system for becoming more connected to your spiritual side. It's a resource that will help to bridge the desire for change and the way to get there. So the all-elusive how. The second way to bring more magic into your life is to pay attention to synchronicity. So some call this coincidence, but I don't believe that there is anything such as coincidence. Every time something happens multiple times in a row or in a pattern, supposedly, like when it would seem that otherwise there wouldn't be a pattern, this is a sign. The universe is communicating with you. Things happen for a reason. You meet people when you are meant to meet them. Pay attention. Your life will feel so much more magical. The third way to bring more magic into your life is to use your senses. You can experiment with them and try different things, try different sensations. So you can also trick your senses. So let me give you a couple of examples. For vision, you can check out and analyze various optical illusions. So here are some of my favorites. So there's one here, and I'll put a couple more at the end of the video. There's also a really cool auditory illusion called the McGurk effect. And I put a link to it here. It's where a certain word is being said that's a little bit ambiguous, but the actual visual material being provided, it leads the viewer to make a certain conclusion about what they've heard. Even though it's the same sound, they'll think they heard something different based on something they saw that was visual. So maybe the formation of the mouth or something like that. Okay. So the next one is about smell. So there's something called olfactory fatigue. Let me explain. It occurs when your smell receptors get used to a certain smell that you are repeatedly exposed to or exposed to over a prolonged amount of time. And it's sort of like you get used to it. So what you can do is if you want to smell your air freshener in your house every day, try changing out the scent every week. And then like one day it's roses, another time lavender, another time vanilla. Then you'll notice it more often. It'll be more magical in your home. Or you can try if you want to be noticed by somebody at work and you can use a certain perfume or cologne, but if you use a different one every day, then they might notice that, okay? Otherwise, they'll just be used to the way you smell and you work with them every day. I'm going to say more about this in the series that I'm doing next week. The fourth way to bring more magic into your life is by using something coined by Dr. Joe Dispenza. It's called supernatural breathing. So he teaches about a method of breathing that we can use to access our subconscious mind and the power that it holds. It's really fascinating. Have you ever heard of your third eye? Well, your third eye is the way that you see your inner world. It's also a bit of a link to subconscious and to the universe in general. You can unlock your third eye, which will give you these different kinds of experiences. And some of them are unimaginable. Almost supernatural by definition. So next week on day 4 out of 5 of this series, you'll be seeing more about this. I'll explain it. The fifth way to bring more magic into your life is to use magical words. According to a theory called the sapir-wharf hypothesis, a great deal of our experience and perception is based on the words that we use and that exist in our language. The big example that is used often is the Inuit language has more than 50 words for snow. Right here, I'll show you that. They clearly see something that we don't. They're perceiving something that we're not paying attention to. And that's exactly it. It's about what you pay attention to. The main idea here is to try to use language that is in our favor. So when someone says to you, how are you? Instead of the usual okay or I'm good, try using a word like I'm amazing, I'm spectacular, I'm fantastic, I'm magnificent, I'm sensational, I am miraculous. The bigger, and by bigger, I mean bigger in idea. The bigger the word, the better. Also, try to answer the question in a positive way rather than using negativity or sarcasm or being too real. It's appreciated, but at the same time, when someone says, how are you? When you say, living the dream, but you really mean my life sucks, it's not helpful to you. My next video in my path to riches will be for day 108 to 114. Did you know I have a Facebook group that is dedicated to positivity and happiness? It isn't huge, but the members are one of a kind. As always, I'm doing 3 shout outs to 3 of my fabulous group members. I want to give a big, giant, virtual, warm hug to 3 of my members. These 3 members are Natasha LaPlante, Mary Romero, and Vicky Kuzmanowski. Hi guys. We are all together making the world more positive, one meme, photo, video, or post at a time. Guys, we got this. I'll be doing 3 more shout outs in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I want to thank you all for watching these videos. It really makes my day when I see somebody enjoying it. I'm grateful for every single one of you. Without you, I am just talking to myself. Have a wonderful day and be positive.